Hey, good morning. It's Tim with Beach Dollar here at awesome Founders Park in Islamorada. You're going to see a lot of us today from this awesome event. The Upper Keys Rotary puts on a gigantic nautical flea market. I couldn't guess, but at least a couple hundred vendors here, from locals to visitors, all just food, beverage, shopping, jewelry, art, you name it. It's just freaking awesome. And I'm going to start out here with one of our awesome client partners, Key West Spice from Key West, and take a look at what Michael, the owner, has in store for us today. He came up the 90-mile drive from Key West today to set up. You can find him online at keywestspice.com and order just absolutely awesome stuff for your barbecue, your cooking, all your spice needs. And by the way, we're going to take a look at a bunch of it here in a second. But he's also very, very good at showing up and supporting our local events, and whether it's art fairs and festivals, and of course this awesome flea market here at Founders Park. So I'm going to turn around and introduce you to Michael and take a look at a little bit about what he's got going on. And this is what you're going to see when you're here. Come on, spin the wheel. You can't miss it. keywestspice.com. And I'm going to get here where the sun isn't so bad. This is Michael. He is the master of Key West Spice. And in our short time working together, I got to tell you what, this guy really knows what he's doing. Awesome product, but he's incredibly visible. He supports our local events. He gets to the festivals and the art shows and this huge nautical flea market here at Founders Park in beautiful Islamorada. I tell you what, for those who don't know and need to know, why don't you just give me a quick rundown on what they can find today, as well as at keywestspice.com.
Sure. We have 12 different items to offer.
12.
Holy cow. $8 a piece, 4 for $20. You can spin the wheel to get a free one. We'll be here today and tomorrow in Founders Park at the Nautical Flea Market. We'd love to see you. Come on out, try some of our new items. We have a whole fusion line over here with six salt-free, sugar-free blends.
Oh, very nice.
And, for those of you that want something healthy, it's all natural.
Yeah.
Come on by, spin the wheel.
Heck yeah. And I tell you what, when you take a look at the website, some of the cool things, you can get the individual items like I'm looking at right here for your different tastes. But they also have box groupings of a lot of the similar spices.
We have gift boxes as well here and online at keywestspice.com.
Absolutely cool stuff. And I tell you what, it's quite a line. I mean, let's run me through a couple of your top sellers or your favorites.
Top sellers, and which are used in most of the bigger restaurants down here for blackening, would be our Backcountry Cajun is used for blackening primarily in all the bigger restaurants here in the Florida Keys. Yeah. We do a great jerk seasoning as well.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
Seafood seasoning is used in a lot of restaurants here for their shrimp. We have a Paradise Steak for steak grilling. Island Herb is a salt-free, sugar-free, and a Rooster is a buffalo wing seasoning for you chicken fanatics.
Oh man, so you got it all covered.
Absolutely.
And I tell you what, today is one of those days you could see this stuff fly off. There's a lot of people here, and it's just 9:03 in the morning. It is absolutely packed. You know, if you're coming on out, the hosts have an awesome system. There are shuttles from the high school. There's also parking about a mile north of the location. But if you're like me, you just got on your bicycle and you rode down. But to give you a little bit of a look, I mean, there are literally hundreds of vendors, and we're going to be walking through. But first things first, Key West Spice and keywestspice.com. Check them out online and happily place an order. I tell you what, with 12 different varieties, it's an awesome selection. Biggest thing though, support our locals. Michael comes out of Key West. He's been in the business over 30 years and has come up here 90 miles to beautiful Islamorada for our event today, and he's definitely a popular one. Check in at beachdollar.com. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you'll see he has a special. And don't forget, there is an online promo code for your online ordering if you can't make it out here today. So it's Tim with Beach Dollar. We'll see you again here in about half hour. Have an awesome Saturday.